Modern homes are defined by clean lines, natural light, and thoughtful design choices that balance style with function. When it comes to updating a home's appearance, window replacement plays a major role in achieving a fresh, contemporary look. For homeowners in Warren, choosing the right window designs can dramatically enhance aesthetics while also improving comfort and efficiency. Embracing larger window openings. One of the most popular trends in modern design is maximizing natural light. Larger window openings or floor-to-ceiling window styles help create bright, open living spaces that feel connected to the outdoors. In Warren homes, larger windows add visual interest to both interiors and exteriors, making rooms feel more expansive and inviting. Clean frames and minimalist designs. Modern window aesthetics often focus on simplicity. Slim frames and minimal detailing allow the glass to take center stage, creating a sleek and refined appearance. Warren homeowners who prefer a modern look often choose window designs with clean lines and neutral frame colors that blend seamlessly with contemporary exteriors. Statement windows that add character. While minimalist designs are popular, statement windows can add personality and character to modern homes. Bay, bow, or uniquely shaped windows create focal points that enhance architectural interest. In Warren, these design choices help modern homes stand out while maintaining a cohesive style. Black and dark frame finishes. Dark window frames are a growing trend in modern design. Black or deep-toned frames create contrast and highlight window shapes, adding depth to the home's exterior. For Warren homeowners, dark frames offer a bold yet elegant aesthetic that complements modern siding and exterior materials. Mixing window styles thoughtfully. Modern design allows for flexibility. Combining different window styles, such as fixed windows paired with operable ones, adds dimension and function. In Warren homes, this approach enhances both visual appeal and usability without sacrificing consistency. Enhancing indoor-outdoor connection. Modern window replacements often focus on creating a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. Expansive glass surfaces and well-placed windows help blur the line between inside and outside. Warren homeowners benefit from improved views, increased daylight, and a more open feel throughout the home. Energy efficiency that complements design. Aesthetic upgrades don't have to compromise performance. Modern window designs incorporate advanced insulation and glass technology that improve energy efficiency. In Warren homes, energy-efficient windows support comfort and lower energy costs while maintaining sleek design elements. Long-term value through modern appeal. Window replacement is an investment that enhances both appearance and property value. Homes with modern, well-designed windows often attract more interest and maintain their appeal over time. For Warren homeowners, aesthetic window replacement delivers a balance of beauty, comfort, and lasting value. A modern upgrade for Warren homes. Aesthetic window replacement ideas offer endless possibilities for transforming modern homes. By embracing clean designs, bold finishes, and thoughtful layouts, Warren homeowners can achieve a contemporary look that enhances comfort, efficiency, and curb appeal, creating spaces that feel modern, inviting, and uniquely their own.